What's up traders, this is Peter from Price Action Forex Limited, and today we are with another trade of the week video, and this time it's on pound dollar trade, and this trade was sent at Scalp with PFX VIP channel. So with this trade we have gained a total of 28 plus pips with a risk to reward of 1:3.1. So without any further ado, let's head into the charts. So this is the 4-hour chart of pound dollar, and as you can see that price was in a bullish structure, also took out the last high, and price actually took out this trend line liquidities and came to the 50% of our recent level. Yeah, so as you can see that price actually had imbalances above and mitigated some sort of point of interest from here. And if I just head into the 1-hour chart, you can see that price had many imbalances left to mitigate, and also price took out some sort of liquidity from this area. So at that moment we were in the lower time frames, and price was in a very bullish momentum, and price was in this some sort of range, and price broke out this minor range here, and we decided to go on a buy. So this was our position, and the reason to go buy from this level was, as if you notice that price actually took some sort of liquidity, and also we had our London session at that moment. So let's see how did the trade go. So it almost came to hit our stop loss, and we set our stop loss just below the recent demand area, which broke structure above, and we faced some drawdowns, but it was okay. So when price came around this zone, so it was very confusing that what was price gonna do. So we broke even here, so we let the trade run, breaking even. And let's see how did this trade go. Just before hitting our TP, price came back all the way down here to take out all this trend line liquidity, took out the trend line liquidity, mitigated some sort of area from this wick, and later hit our TP. So, and also just as I said that price had imbalances above, price mitigated these imbalances and mitigated this supply area and later dropped. So this was it guys, our quick trade breakdown of pound dollar, which we are considering as the trade of the week. So if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and we will catch up with another trade breakdown video.